this track, and this is the starting line. That's the finish line. They have to go all the way around once with their car. Our trains that are watching and playing are Diesel, Spencer, Scruff, Gordon, Rusty, James, Hero, and Freddy. The ones that are going to be racing are Rusty, James, Hero, and Freddy. What are yours, Macy?
Diesel 10, Percy, Thomas, Spencer, Toby, Susan, Maves, and Flynn.
And which are the ones that are going to be racing?
Diesel 10, Percy, Thomas, and
Spencer. Let's start this race. First is Rusty, and Porsche 911.
Which one's your first one, Macy?
Diesel 10.
Diesel 10.
And?
She made the name.
Okay, ready? On the count of 3. 1, 2, 3.
Go!
Diesel 10 after a quick lead. Rusty's going down consistently. Oh, Diesel 10's working pretty fast. And Diesel 10 wins. Rusty's still going around with his Porsche, but not quite as fast as Diesel 10 and the blueberry car. Good job.
This one goes right here.
That one can go outside. He didn't win the race, so he's a fan now. Okay, guys, get your next engines ready.
Okay. James and this Jackhammer.
All right, put them on the track.
Spencer and Rowena.
All right, on the count of 3.
He made up.
1, 2, 3, go. James off to a quick lead. Spencer's holding his ground over here. They're both doing very good. Coming into that final turn, look at them go. James still holding that lead with the green Jackhammer car, and they are the winners. Good job, Spencer, with that GT40. Go ahead, have a seat in the fan section, Spencer. And James in the winner's circle.
Next is Hero and my made-up name, Brew.
Cool.
Next is Percy.
Three, two.
Nope, wait for me. Yay. Get your car. Yeah, that's a good one.
3, 2, 1,
3, 2, 1, go. Hero off to a quick lead. Percy working consistently. Let's see what happens. Oh no, Hero's stuck and Percy's making up the ground. Oh boy, Percy's coming around the corner. Being consistent sure helped him out.
No one just...
And Percy wins. Hero, you're a fan now. Even with a little bit of help from Dean, couldn't quite catch up to Percy. Percy joined Diesel 10 in the winner's circle.
Next
Thanks
is
for helping
Freddy.
your engine, Dean. He was stuck.
Next is Freddy and this... Next is Thomas.
Green car.
This
And
green
Thomas with
toy.
an orange car.
This
Let's get him on the
green
track. Good.
track.
Okay, ready. On my count of 3. 1,
2,
2, 3, go! Ooh, Fearless Freddy off to a lead. And Thomas, he's going, stuck again on that one spot, but Fearless Freddy pushed on through. Thomas going really good. And Fearless Freddy wins. Thomas singing a song. Merry Christmas to you, Thomas. What a good song. Oh boy, you guys both have 4 in your winner's circle.
2.
2 each. Look at this. This is a perfect race-off. Ready?
Next is James and Diesel 10.
All right. Oh, here, give me that yellow car. I'll put orange car, and I'll put him in the fan section. All right, James in the green car versus Diesel 10 and the blue car. 3, 2, 1, go! Ooh, Diesel 10 off to a quick lead. He's pushing through. And James going. Oh, this is going to be a close one, but Diesel 10 to the victory. And James, whew, good race though, buddy. Diesel 10, you're still in the victory circle. Now Percy in the orange car versus
Fearless Freddy.
All right, ready? 3, 2, 1, go! Fearless Freddy off to a quick lead. Go Fearless Freddy. Good job.
Hey,
Good
you
job.
bumped my car
I know,
off.
I bumped them. Oh no!
I can help it because of that.
Well, you did get bumped.
Yeah.
Let's have a re-race. Ready?
Re-race.
Let's fix that up. Okay? Let's fix this.
Go.
Ready? Good job. Fearless Freddy off to a quick lead. Game's going. Fearless Freddy moving.
You said Dave, not Percy.
Oh, that's funny.
You said Dave is going
And
on
Fearless Freddy wins. And Percy, sorry about the name mix up, but looks like we have 2 racers in the winner's
Fearless
circle.
Freddy and Diesel 10.
Oh my. Let's see what happens.
Fearless Freddy was the winner in the last one.
All right, ready? 3, 2, 1, go. Look at this. Diesel 10's taking the lead, and Fearless Freddy, he is just behind Diesel 10 to the victory.
So,
Macy, it looks like your train in car team won.
first place, second place, and third place.
Well, first place. We have time for first place.
Second
Diesel
place.
10 and the blue car of Macy. And what was your first place, Steve? Which was the second place for the whole race is Fearless Freddy.
And the third place.
All right, guys.
Like and subscribe. Bye. First place of mine. Second place of mine. Third place and fourth place.